So this video is long overdue and I wanted it to be some kind of big comeback special, but there just wasn't the budget for the Can Girls and live band. Every now and then I'd check in, make sure things were ticking over, money was still coming in, and then I'd look at the comments, sigh and wander back to my second hidden channel deep in the YouTube forest where the algorithm gods and the guitar gods couldn't find me. Anyway, I'm back, more or less. So I've just attached some 12mm birch ply onto the wasteboard of my CNC machine, and I'm going to cut the next version of the CNC sharpening jig. I think that's the only thing I'm going to find a bit difficult migrating from this CNC machine to my new one is obviously with a belt. Once you turn the stepper motors off, you can push this thing around. With a lead screw you always have to use the control panel to do that. Anyway, so these are going to be the new arms for the sharpening jig. They've cut out pretty well, that's a relief. Not sure why it decided to cut this section separately from the rest of the piece. The bar that's going to go in the center, I'll just do that on the sled. I'm going to drill the hole slightly off center just so I can flip this piece around if I need to either move the clamping point towards the abrasive surface or further away. So that will go between this like that. I may end up putting something across here just to keep it square. I'm not sure yet. Obviously have a bit of material, so could use some of this. I'll leave that to one side. I'm going to turn these wing knobs into through-hole wing knobs by drilling a hole at the top. It works out a lot cheaper to buy these types and then adjusting them when you need to. The way I'm going to use these is hand feed the machine screw into the threaded holes where they need to go, and then this will act like a locking nut, clamping on Okay, these have been sprayed with some lacquer, a couple coats. I'm just going to put the insert nut into the hole that I pre-drilled. Hopefully this she goes in okay. Okay, I've assembled this. It doesn't look too bad. In fact, it looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to just tidy everything up and then give it a go. I'm just going to set this to 25 degrees. I really don't know if this is right, but another angle. That looks like it's tilting in a little bit. Maybe I haven't cut that flat. So this time I'm going to keep this relatively loose, so the weight of that pushes down against the paper, and then this will also act as a weight. Okay, here goes. I'm going to do it from the middle. This machine is interfering with my other videos now. Like, it doesn't matter what I do, you can just hear it in the background droning away. Okay, I've decided to give up now. I've noticed the Y-axis belts are all just becoming really loose. I think they're just warming up because I've left this machine running for so long. It's sort of getting there, but it's just taking too long. I would have ended up doing this quicker by hand. And I don't think I've got this straight either. I mean, it's really polishing it. It looks amazing, but I mean, that's completely off. So I think I'm just going to do this by hand. I can't think about this at the moment. So what was I going to say? I'll just show you where the old CNC machine has ended up. This is what I've been working on. So this is the machine that I've been working on. Hi, I'm over here. And I'm practically at the end of the build. And this has been the main reason why I've not been producing videos on the main channel, is because I've been focusing on learning a lot of new things, which have allowed me to build the two things you see here, the controller and the CNC machine itself. Anyway, sorry for being away for so long, and hopefully I'll be producing more regular videos on this channel once again.